Hello, Simai, and welcome to Welsh Phrase of the Week. My name's William Hugh and I'm a Welsh learner. And today's phrase is handy if you want to make sure that somebody's understood you. Because the phrase is, Dach Chi'n deall? Do you understand? Dach Chi'n deall? Now on the streets you might actually hear people say, Dach Chi'n dall? Dach Chi'n dall? Do you understand? I'll say it slower so you can get the pronunciation. Dach Chi'n deall, or the shorter version, Dach Chi'n dall. So there you are. Dach Chi'n dall? You understand? Well, that's all for this week. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you here again next time. Hwyl fawr i chi.